Hey guys, Mitch with Prison Supply, here today with a new part for y'all. It's gonna be an upgrade on our existing parts that you really like, that we really like, the quickstick. And we're really excited to show you the quickstick 2.0, a cast aluminum version of our old product. It's gonna be lighter, easier to install, better looking, and the best part is it's the same price as the old one. So come with me, we're gonna put it on a bike today. I've gone ahead and removed the exhaust off the Pit My Sporty. You might not have to in your situation, but we did it so you can see better. And the starter is how it looks coming from the factory. The installation process requires one tool. It's a 3mm hex key. You're gonna start by taking the 3 bolts off the solenoid cover here. And I like to start with the bottom one because it's a little trickier to get to. So when you remove the last bolt and the cover, you wanna grab the gasket on the back side and save it to put back on with the quick stick. So the next step is to take your quick stick and put the gasket on, line it up, and put a bolt through to hold it in place. In some cases, you might need to kind of pull the oil lines out of the way so you can slip it in. Sometimes they're out of the way, kind of also depends on your bike. Just slide it and start the bolt. What I like to do is start all 3 bolts, just so nothing binds, nothing twists, nothing strips. The last thing you want to do is strip your starter. Now that they're all started, I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten them in. And that's the installation. And just like the original quick stick, you can take the shift knob that comes on it off and replace it with any of our shift knobs to get that really custom look. That's it, installation is complete. Slap the exhaust back on and you're ready to ride. We're super stoked about this part. We hope you are too. You can pick yours up at prisonsupply.com. Cool. Took a deep breath. Hey, Mitch.